Hello and welcome to an inside look at King's Bottle Wine Coolers. I'm going to show you how King's Bottle has taken extra special care to create the perfect cooler. We will be going step by step through all of their flagship products. King's Bottle has created a line of coolers with a product for everyone. Their diverse product line offers a solution for every level of wine enthusiast. King's Bottle knows that wine collecting is an investment. That is why each cooler is crafted from premium materials, allowing each unit to hold even the biggest of collections. The key to King's Bottle products is their use of wood in the cabinetry instead of steel like some other coolers. This allows for a more consistent temperature absorption and uniform cooling experience that doesn't bruise the flavor of your collection. Metal becomes much colder than the air around each bottle. When a bottle sits for a lengthy period of time in a refrigerator, cold spots develop on the bottle where the glass meets the metal, and the wine closest to the cold spots can be tainted. Wood, however, is not affected by cooler temperatures in such a way. The wood shelves in all of King's Bottle's coolers are placed lovingly on top of solid steel ball bearings that produce a silky smooth entrance and exit for your bottles with a solid construction and reassurance that your cabinets will remain in the cooler. Many coolers out there use both incandescent and fluorescent lighting in their coolers. The intention of using a specialized cooler is to keep your collection safe and at its peak. But what good are your bottles remaining in your cooler if both incandescent and fluorescent lighting can alter wine flavor? King's Bottle has taken measures to assure that light filtration in its doors block both sources. Light will no longer taint your favorite wines. Whether it's your $20 table wine or $500 Riesling, with King's Bottle, all wine gets equal quality treatment. King's Bottle has built-in dual cooling zones into many of their coolers. Dual cooling zones keep a variety of wines at their best. This way, your reds can stay at their optimum 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit and whites at their lower range at 45 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also important to note that King's Bottle has positioned their circulator fans in such a way that it keeps a continuous movement of cool air and therefore temperature throughout their units. Not to be outdone by details, King's Bottle has made sure each of their coolers uses gas-charged tempered glass for maximum R value. Further adding to the safety of your investment, rugged locks assure your bottles are protected not just from outside elements, but from unwarranted use as well. From a technical standpoint, King's Bottle coolers represent a graceful melding of the cutting edge and modern design in an attempt to highlight an age-old hobby. From their vibration-free compressors to their digital display controllers, science meets art with simple and intuitive controllability. King's Bottle wine coolers range in size to suit any collection. From their 36-bottle single climate zone to their 170-bottle dual climate zone, it doesn't matter if you're an avid collector or amateur collector, your wine will taste amazing. Salute.